The last tab in the visual setting is Output. There are a few options here. General setting is about resolution. We can make a change to resolution. Window is it follow with SketchUp window. (1024 aspect ratio 1.33). HD Full HD and Ultra HD is a standard that we generally use. 1280 by 720. 1920 by 1080, which most of us call 720, 1080, Full HD or Ultra HD, and can be used as custom. We value its scale. And we have the following option: use viewport aspect ratio. This option is similar to window, only we can customize its value. In this condition is Enscape recommend us to render Ultra HD. Can also be considered 4K. If we render bigger than 4K resolution, the rendering will be taken longer to complete. We can also export additional render elements. We can call it channel. When we enable, and we set the folder to it, so our renders will be exported, including render elements to the same folder. The render elements are mostly used in Photoshop. We can also define the file type. What kind of file do we use? And we have another option, automatic naming. If we enable it, it will auto. Below is the video and panorama. These two options are a little bit different from the option above. It affects the video and panorama. Panorama has its quality resolution: low, normal, and high. As for the video option, we have quality and frame per second. Conditions of this place: if we export video or we call rendering video, we will have an option that we can modify. Above can be said that override. Its quality is the same in this, but we can modify it. The same as the resolution we see on this. Is it follow from this general option?